Welcome to Chiang Mai, the crown of northern Thailand. This is a place known for its temples, food, culture, and nature. We've visited Chiang Mai many times over the last few years, and in this video, we will share with you the top 10 things to do in and around the city.
We're Jack and Jordan, and we help people plan their trips to Thailand and Southeast Asia. If you need assistance, please get in touch with us through our website, jj-adventures.online.
We highly recommend staying within the Old Town, especially the area near Tai Pai Gate, especially for first-time visitors to Chiang Mai. The Old Town is the historic center of Chiang Mai, and it was founded in 1296 as the capital of the Lanna Kingdom and served as the cultural and religious heart of the region. The Old Town is surrounded by well-preserved walls and gates that were built during the city's founding. Old Town is home to numerous temples, or wats, showcasing exquisite Lanna architecture. One prominent temple is Wat Chadi, known for its massive pagoda that was partially destroyed by an earthquake in the 16th century. But the Old Town is not just a fascinating historic site, it's also home to some of the best bars, restaurants, and coffee shops in town.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you to what I believe is the best dish in the whole of Thailand, the Khao Soi. This dish is characterized by its rich coconut milk-based curry broth, infused with a blend of spices like turmeric, ginger, and red curry paste. Unlike most other Thai curries, Khao Soi is not served with rice, but with yellow egg noodles. And you usually have the choice of chicken or beef. It's traditionally topped with a combination of shallots, cilantro, lime, pickled mustard greens, and crucially, a crispy fried noodle, adding a crunchy texture to the curry. Khao Soi originated from northern Thailand, and Chiang Mai is its home. You'll see this dish advertised in most Thai restaurants, and we'd recommend trying a few different versions whilst you're in Chiang Mai.
While the town itself is fascinating, what makes Chiang Mai such a truly beautiful place is its surrounding mountains and countryside. And going on a guided trek is a must-do when in Chiang Mai. Guided treks can last anywhere from just a few hours to a 3-night stay in the jungle, and there are suitable treks for any level of fitness. On these guided treks, you can expect to see mountains, wildlife, rice paddy fields, and rural Thai culture. Overnight stays usually involve spending the night in a local village. Get in touch with us through our website linked below if you would like help finding a suitable guided trek for you.
Chiang Mai is a spiritual paradise, and that remains so even when you escape the city. The surrounding areas are home to some of the most beautiful mountain temples that you'll ever see. Just outside of the city, with amazing views overlooking the Old Town, is Doi Satep Temple Complex. The central attraction of the temple complex is the Golden Chedi. This is easily visited by taxi or song tao. Sitting atop the tallest mountain in the whole of Thailand, at Doi Inthanon National Park, is the Royal Twin Pagodas, built in honor of the former Thai king's 60th birthday. A little further outside the city is Asom Promtara, whose white marble pagoda contrasts beautifully with its jungle setting. Lying towards the north of the city is Wat Ban Den Temple. The temple complex features a combination of traditional Lanna and contemporary styles, and its key feature is a large golden pagoda. If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button to help us get this video out there to more people.
There are many waterfalls situated in the Chiang Mai countryside, but none quite as big and powerful as Wachirathan waterfall, located in Doi Inthanon National Park. It cascades down from a height of approximately 80 meters, or 262 feet. We were lucky enough to see it during the rainy season, when the flow of water reaches its peak, making it even more powerful.
Ban Mae Klang Luang is a Karen village located in Doi Inthanon National Park. The village is home to a hill tribe community, predominantly belonging to the Karen ethnic group. The village provides a unique opportunity for visitors to experience the culture and traditional way of life of the Karen people. The Karen people are an ethnic group native to Southeast Asia. They're known for their distinct language, culture, and traditions. The villagers in Ban Mae Klang Luang engage in traditional agricultural practices. The terrace fields surrounding the village are used for growing crops, and the agricultural landscape adds to the scenic beauty of the area. The village has embraced community-based tourism, allowing visitors to engage with the local community and gain insight into their customs and traditions. Make sure to try their homemade coffee when you're there. Homestays are available, providing a more immersive experience for those who wish to spend more time in the village.
Cheongdao is a picturesque town located in the Chiang Mai province. It's located about an hour-and-a-half drive away from the city, and it is perfect for a day trip or an overnight stay. The town is dominated by Doi Cheongdao, the third highest mountain in Thailand, and its peak reaches an elevation of 2,175 meters. This place is perfect for trekking or camping.
Ping River is a major waterway flowing through Chiang Mai. It's one of the major tributaries of the Chao Phraya River, which is the main river of Thailand, and it originates in the mountainous regions of Cheongdao. You can take boat trips along the river, providing a unique perspective of the city and its surroundings. Some cruises offer dinner and entertainment for a more immersive experience.
Chiang Mai is known for its markets. Here you can see the Sunday market and the Old Town, which is one of the biggest markets in the city. There are night markets that are open daily that serve delicious food, clothes, and souvenirs.
Chiang Mai is home to several ethical elephant sanctuaries that prioritize the well-being and ethical treatment of elephants. Here you can see and interact with the elephants. Elephants are native to northern Thailand and have existed in the area for millions of years. Because of their diet, the natural habitat of the Thai elephant is tropical rainforests, which are found in the northern and western parts of Thailand. This makes Chiang Mai one of the best places in the whole country to view elephants. Sanctuaries such as Elephant Nature Park, Elephant Freedom Project, and Into the Wild aim to protect this endangered species.
We have one final bonus activity for you. If you're lucky enough to be in Thailand for one of the traditional Thai festivals, such as Songkran or Loin Krathong, then Chiang Mai is one of the best places to celebrate. The city embraces the traditional atmosphere, and it'll provide a unique experience for anyone visiting.
That's all for our top things to do in Chiang Mai. If you found this video useful, please check out the rest of our Thailand travel guides. We have videos just like this one for all major tourist destinations in Thailand. Why not start with our guide for the top 10 things to do in Phuket?